Eleazar Harash. The Method of the Pyramid, 2002. The universal practice of life, called the method of the pyramid, gathers life and death into one point, unites them, exalts them, transcends them, and turns the disciple from an ordinary son into one extraordinary son. In this way, the disciple becomes alike to the white dot. Through this unusualness, which is the primordial natural state of things, the disciple gains the gaze of the eternal child. This child brings the wondrous into all ordinary things. It begins to live in a land full of wonders. Only the eyes, which are filled with wonder, with miracles, with amazement, understand the love of their master, because the master is the biggest wonder in all the worlds. Life is not a riddle. Life is a miracle of miracles. The pyramid symbolizes the solar person, the primordial person. This is the person who has only one center in their life. This center is the tip of the pyramid. The tip of the pyramid symbolizes the ancient-most sun. It is the image of the dazzling light. It is also called by the title, the Master. The priests intentionally did not disclose this sun in their paintings. They revealed it only to their disciples and gave the method only to them. This is an occult method for making the person divine. Whoever implements this method, they are able to return to their master within a year's time at most. In this way, the disciple becomes a part of their master, a part of the dazzling light. This method is called the method of the pyramid. It can only be implied, and to the ones who wish to merge with their master, it can be disclosed fully. I will hint something about this method. This method is not magic. Magic only changes the consciousness, but does not transfigure it. The method is the following. The disciple sits on a chair in the Egyptian pose, places their hands parallel to each other on their knees, and they become absorbed into the method of the pyramid. The tip of the pyramid in the person is the top part of their head. Precisely there, the imperceptible sun is located. For a few minutes, the disciple imagines vividly this sun above their head. This sun touching lightly the crown center in the person. For a few minutes, the disciple imagines the dazzling light of this sun. Then, in this sun, the image of their master appears. The master is more dazzling than this sun. Then the disciple opens, i.e. trusts their master, and then this dazzling sun starts to pass through the entire body of the disciple. The disciple is worthy to receive the sun of their master. And then the master pervades their disciple entirely, as love, wisdom, truth, justice, and virtue. This is the greatest practice ever given by the priests of Egypt. This practice lasts around 10 minutes. In those 10 minutes, the virtue of the master pervades the disciple and rejuvenates them. The justice of the master pervades the disciple and balances them. The truth of the master pervades the disciple and renews them. The wisdom of the master pervades the disciple and transfigures them. The love of the master pervades the disciple and purifies them. In this way, the disciple becomes a part of the dazzling light of their master. In this way, the disciple becomes saved, unborn, and uncreated. They are liberated from the wheel of reincarnation and from life and death. They already become a solar being in the depths of their master. Some disciples with this practice have attained merging with the universal master in only 6 months. This practice is not disclosed fully because of the big secret that it conceals within itself. But what has been said is the basis of the method of the pyramid. This method is not given to the pure disciples, but only to the chosen ones. The chosen ones have a special love towards their master. The method of the pyramid was concealed by the priests, because it is the greatest bestowment for the chosen ones. But today the door is opened slightly, even for the ones who have not been chosen, because great is the compassion of the master. Only in the practice with love will you attain the practice.